probably gonna just go.
Hello! I'm gonna go monster hunting. I'm only gonna kill 3 monsters. Might kill a few more, I don't know. But I'm only gonna kill like a few, like 3 or something. Because I don't want this to be a long video. And my parents are gonna make me go to bed soon because it's rather late where I am. So, let's go, Billy. And then you climb up here. And then...
The armor.
Kablamba!
I unlocked all the guns.
The next boss will be the chicken boss.
That's a lot.
Ready?
Of there, chicken.
Aim! Kablamba! The next boss shall be Angler. I have located the Angler fish. And it has mysteriously vanished there. Right there. One of the biggest bosses in the game.
He's right here.
You are not going to kill it. I will do it.
Oh, I know. I know. He's right here. He's on here.
I am Harry Potter.
No.
Abracadabra!